Packing up bundles of files, immigration prosecutor Heidi Ng is heading to the magistrate's court, where she brings about 30 cases a day for trial.
In a recent case that a woman wanted to conceal her true age to her husband, she altered the date of birth on her identity card copy. Her act seems not to do harm to anyone, but she really breached the law, so that she was finally prosecuted.
Ho King Kai has been an immigration prosecutor for 2 years. He's dealt with numerous prosecutions, such as those involving overstayers, illegal workers, and fake documents. A case he remembers well was a truly bogus marriage. A mainland man paid several $1,000s to a middleman to arrange a marriage of convenience with a Hong Kong woman so he could get Hong Kong residency. Ironically, the middleman cheated him.
In that case, the middleman arranged the male and female parties to attend the Wan Jai Law Court, and then they entered into a witness room which pretended to be a solicitor firm or maybe a marriage registry. The middleman not only arranged a bogus marriage for the mainlander, but also a bogus marriage ceremony, a bogus solicitors to solemnize the marriage, and also a fake marriage certificate for them.
The Department of Justice's Director of Public Prosecutions authorizes immigration prosecutors to prosecute immigration offenses at magistrates' courts. They handled about 8,300 cases last year, and about 95% of them were successful. Although they do not need to be lawyers, most of them have law degrees. Experienced mentors guide newcomers, and the Department of Justice will offer training courses for them from time to time. Outside the court, theirs is a race against time. After a suspect is taken into custody, they must decide whether or not to prosecute within 48 hours. Inside the court, they are confident giving evidence, cross-examining witnesses, and arguing with the defense, even though they are not lawyers.
This job is mainly responsible for laying the facts to the court and help the court to understand the prosecution case. And hence, it is not necessary for prosecutors to have a law degree.
For defense counsel, they quite know that we are specialized in doing immigration case. We are quite experienced in immigration matters and the court proceeding. So they rarely challenge us and even always seek our advice on immigration matters.
Having been in the prosecutor's role for the past 5 years, Ms. Ng appreciates having had the valuable chance to battle with some experienced counsels in the court of law. Surprisingly, she likens her job to that of a chef.
We and the defense lawyer like having a cooking competition in the court. Both of us has the same ingredients but have to prepare different dishes. Just like during trial, we have to base on the same set of facts to support our own case. It is left to the magistrate to determine which is the truth of the case. I thought it is very challenging.